Comments, and I see your question, Maya J. I do see that. I'm just going to go ahead and heart that. Other questions. Okay, somebody's asking about how to identify scammer profile. Okay, I did this video years ago about how to actually, if you're doing dating sites, how to identify scammers immediately using a reverse image search on their profile. And this guy asks me, hey, what if their picture they show you privately aren't out there, but they still ask for money? If they're asking for money on a dating site, I wouldn't mess with them at all, because you don't know them, and you're not there to do charity. You know, there's other places you can go and do charity. Dating sites not one of them. So if you just met them and you're already giving them money, that's a red flag. Still a scam? Question mark. But the video and pictures don't look like she would sound in one of the videos. Nothing like the woman on the phone. Are African women accents just a clear warning sign that she's a scammer? No, absolutely not. That's not a red flag. Just because a person has a certain accent, it's not a flag at all. Why would an African woman want me? And they want a real dude their own race, right? The thing is, they ask for cash is a red flag. Yeah. Okay, so here's a couple of things, and I'll keep this brief. Number one, if you are interested in learning more about this, because I do get people asking me about it, I got 2 courses on relationship.thinkific.com. One is about how I avoid romance scammers by using a simple technique. Very simple, but it really does work. And I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. So that's one thing that you can do. Another one, if you're interested, is a full-blown course about the mindset it takes to find the right one. I've been married since 2014. I met my wife off of dating sites, and it's been a real blessing in my life. So I just want to share what I know, and that's what this is all about. Online dating success. Breaks down like what to do, how to find the best one, how to filter out scammers and users and others to find the love of your life. So relationship.com. Okay, let me get back to the actual question here. He's got a few questions. Number one, he's asking, he's done the reverse image search and he can't find those images. Okay, number one, I would use any pictures that they give to you, not just one, not just the profile picture. Use other pictures that they send to you, and you can even take screenshots from the video and make that one and do a reverse search on that. Number one. Let's say you do that and you still can't find images online, so it looks legit. They might just be a user, or they might be a gold digger or something like that, right? They might just be trying to get money off of you. They're a real person, but they're just trying to get money. Number one, if they're asking for money, you guys aren't boyfriend, girlfriend, you guys just met, you guys have been talking for 3 weeks, and this person's asking you for money, that's a red flag. I would move on. Like I said, this is not a charity. Let me see. He said the person did video. Okay, well, that's a good sign. That means it's a real person. They don't particularly match the voice of who's on there, and that's why you just got to take time on that one. Is it just because the person has an African accent doesn't mean it's a scam? I mean, that's obviously, I would say it's obviously not a red flag. Why would an African woman want me? I think he's saying that because he's a white dude. And, you know, honestly, all over the world, you can find people who want you, like how you look. You know, they prefer, in some cases, that you look this way or you look that way. So that's really not necessarily a red flag. There's some places a white guy's going to go in Africa and he's going to be preferred. Like these women are going to be looking for this dude. And there's some places in different parts of the world that they want a person who looks like you, you know, who talks like you. It's a real thing. Is a real thing. So I would not say that would be a justification of why they want you. But I would say that the red flag is in already asking for cash. that's huge red flag. Like if you've been talking to this person for 6 months, 8 months, a year, 2 years, this is your fiance or you guys are girlfriend, boyfriend, you've met in person, then and she's asking for cash, okay, that's different. But if you just met this person, you guys haven't met in person, you guys have been talking for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever, 2 months, and they're already asking for money because they have this, oh, my grandma's in hospital and she needs to get out and I need $200, I need $30 to fill my load on my phone. Those are all common scams that they use. So I hope that answers your question, JD. I'm gonna move on to the next question.